Yeah, so Toyota Crown. So this is, I don't think, do they have the option for having like more of the sedan?
There's a sedan in there. So this is
Okay.
what came out after.
Gotcha. So yeah, so this is the Crown Signa. Okay, so not a bad color. The front end, definitely a little weird, but not bad. Ooh, I do like the accent here on the top to go with the sunroof. I think it's a sunroof, right? That sunroof?
Yep.
Oh yeah, okay. So you got the nice little bright accent right there. So, see, ooh, we got some bronze, or bronzy gold type of silver color there. Yeah, I think it's more like a gold silver. That looks good.
Excellent seats.
Mm-hmm. So cup holder, we got
So you're not seeing
one.
down as low.
Pretty good size there. Yeah. Got big cup holder. Ooh, we do have 2 USB-Cs.
And even with that seat all the way back.
Yeah. Alright, not bad on space. Also got cup holder there in the door, cup holder there in the rest. Not bad. Oh, JBL, of course. Mm-hmm. Comfy seat.
They said this one was 48 pounds.
Alright, that's not bad. You got plenty of room in the back there to store stuff. Got a nice little latch. Oh yeah, so you got tire and everything, so it looks like they might be able to come up a little bit higher, but a little bit of weird storage down there. But definitely a good amount of cargo. No, definitely don't.
That's a cool color, very pretty cool.
Mm-hmm.
The hybrid system.
Oh, and then you got the gloss black back here on the bumper. That's kind of interesting. Huh.
It's a nice wheel in there too. I
Yeah,
like the body
graphite.
style.
Yeah, more of a graphite. Yeah, that is a good style.
It reminds me of a squished Buick Regal that Opel made.
Yes, yeah, exactly. That is interesting. Okay. Yeah, FJ Cruiser. Ooh, okay. Well, I like the interior accents. We got the black. We got the nice little brown accents to match with the seat there. Cup holders.
Very business.
Get your water bottle. Yeah. Business oriented. Got the front door styling. Nicely done. Oh, and we got the very stylish jet engine inspired turbine style. Yep, that looks nice, which I do like the adjustability on that. Look at this. Look at how adjustable that is. That's nice. So you can really pinpoint where you need the air to blow. That is pretty cool. Then we got a shifter in here. We got, ooh, you got your lock features, high and low 4-wheel drive. You got the park button. You got your select mode over here for your drive style. And you got some window options, recirculate, all right there. That's not bad. Oh, that is a pretty color right there too. I like that. That's good. So overall, oh, wheels. Okay, well with this trim, I gotta say I like the graphite wheels right here. This looks really, really good. Let's take a look at the front nose. And definitely like the front nose on it. So I think there's a few different options for what you can do with the headlights. I think this is like a little bit more traditional maybe. But I like definitely like it. You can see where the Honda's trying to copy it a little bit. But yeah, that looks good. Nice color and everything. Then you got the little roof rail up there on the top that gives it a little added height and everything. That looks good. There we got Corolla GR. Ooh, with the flat black roof. Okay, now that is different.
That's your Corolla Premium Plus.
Okay. So we got, looks like we actually got active, yep, that's active hood louvers. So it lets the air out. Okay. So it's all gloss black here, not really any extra trim color. We got added, yep, that's active. Okay, so active vents on the back, active, ooh, right here. Got active vents there. Ooh, look at those GR seats. Looks good. Get your emergency brake, you get your push and track. You got your nice handle in there. And good amount of buttons in there as well, so that looks really, really good. But yeah, the matte top, that looks good. Because it kind of breaks up being all gloss black. Then you got the graphite, yes, graphite black wheels look really, really good. It has a really, really good simple styling. That's really, really nice. Oh, and also, oh, triple exhaust. Triple.
That's what makes
Count
it so
them.
special.
1, 2, 3.
Well, for
That's cool.
You got one exhaust per cylinder.
Good night. That's awesome. So the green on this is really nice, and then it's got the Brass Monkey wheels on it as well. Yeah. Yeah, so not actually a little bit off of Brass Monkey, not quite as bright, but still looks good. And then check out, got gloss black handle, and then interior. Oh yeah, Woodland Edition. Yep. That doesn't look bad. I kind of would like to see some green accents come into the interior to really make it, but that's not a bad interior. You got some nice light silver options. That's not too bad. But yeah, I like the color. The color looks really, really good. That's not bad. Well, that says Supra might be leaving us soon, but the predecessor promises a total rebuild with the very nice graphite wheels that's on it. Alright, what do we got in the seat, Todd?
So that kidney's will keep you in here.
Nice.
That's a lot.
Yeah. So obviously next generation is supposed to be built directly by Toyota versus being a BMW build. So that's going to be nice for the parts anyways, hopefully. A little bit cheaper to get worked on.
That hood is so
Oh yeah, so look at this handle, okay? So this does not work the way you think it works. This is a wacky handle, yeah. So you have to be on the brake, then you have to hit that button to take it straight to drive.
Yeah.
Then when you want to get out of drive, you have to push it forward to get it into neutral reverse.
Wow.
But that doesn't do the parking. You have to then have your foot on the brake to hit this button right here to get it to actually be in park.
Yeah.
It is one of the wackiest shifters I have ever seen. I do not understand how that works. It was too many things.
You've got the tan,
Yeah.
you got the black one, you got the carbon fiber.
Mm-hmm.
That
Oh yeah, the chrome. Oh, that's hideous. That is hideous.
It should have its own logo. It
Yes,
should be a
it should be the
logo.
GR. Yeah.
That is so dumb having a chrome.
Oh yeah. I mean that you lose $5,000 of value just because of that.
I'm only
That's
seeing
awful.
Here, but
Right.
your vision distance from here to here.
Yeah.
Wow. I think I'd be claustrophobic driving.
Oh
this
yeah,
car.
well you can't even see that over the hood. Really? That's crazy.
Wow. I can see why maybe this isn't a fan favorite.
Well, hopefully with the rebuild directly with Toyota, instead of being a BMW half and half, it'll help it out a little bit. Oh yeah, well, let's see, so look at this then. Oh yeah, that's not bad. So you got the graphite, and then you got the stinking little chrome thing right here. That looks awful. It needs to be GR. You gotta really go into the GR. I mean, I don't think this one actually isn't a G. Oh, it is. No, it's right there. It's right there. Okay, so, yeah, it needs it needs a matte black GR logo. It needs to be matte black. And this abomination needs to disappear to make this more of a valued car.
That's wild.
Yeah, that is awful. I never actually really looked at that, but yeah, that is really bad having that cheap chrome when it's a sports car. Yeah, exactly. That is bad.
I didn't look at the sticker, but
yeah. That's sad, yeah. Alrighty guys, that is it for us here at the, the Orlando Car Show?
Orlando International,
There we go.
International Car Show at Orlando.
Also known as the Orange County Car Show, the Central Florida Car Show.
There's a few different names.
There's a few different names that's gone through. But that is it for us. We checked out a whole lot of cars, got to drive out some different cars, which kind of helped us have an opinion about how the cars drive and stuff, which was a lot of fun. So how would you rate the show?
It was a pleasant experience, but nothing like it used to be.
Exactly. Much smarter than it used to be.
Everybody should buy a Durango SRT.
Exactly. Yeah. Help the economy, buy a Durango.
Yes.
So anyways, that is it for us. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe. If you want to see some of these videos earlier, you can always become a member on the channel. And we'll see you guys here next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.